7 Democratic presidential candidates are set to face off in a high-stakes debate today. As we await news from Iowa on who really won, it comes ahead to New Hampshire's first in the national primary. And days after the Iowa consensus ended in chaos and confusion that still hasn't been sorted out, and CNN's Leah Santiago reports.
Scientists inside TGen North taking us inside their Flagstaff lab. They're using supercomputers as their secret sauce to break the code of this new strain of coronavirus.
It's a computer, it's a camera.
The coronavirus is made up of letters, just like our DNA.
It's about 20,000 letters long.
And they have to know these letters to find the blueprint of the virus so they can create a test.
That genetic code tells us everything we need to know. It tells us all the secrets of that organism. It tells us, is it changing? It tells us what's going on. How is that virus able to get into human cells?
Right now, only the CDC can test for the newest strain of coronavirus from China. So scientists here and across the country working to crack the code. And when they do, they'll have a test that doctors and hospitals can use everywhere. Here's something you may not know. SARS and MERS, those are types of coronaviruses, and the labs here also worked to develop tests on those as well. But the big question is, when will they have a test ready and approved?
When it's an emergency like this, what they try to shorten that down is down to months and maybe even weeks in order to go through the approval process at the FDA.
Joe Biden had a poor showing in Iowa. The latest poll in New Hampshire puts Biden in third place, ahead of Elizabeth Warren. The Washington Post reports that he left New Hampshire and spent Thursday in Delaware, preparing for the next debate and reevaluating his campaign strategy.